Ryebreads are cool. We vlog at the pool, and we vlog after school. We vlog as a family, we vlog every day, and none of us are bored at night!
Oh, good morning, good morning. It is Saturday. I'm walking away from my room, which is over there. That's right, my room was over here. Had to get it switched. It was so wet in there. The mattress was damp, the pillows were damp, everything was wet from condensation. I'm not sure why, but our second hotel room is a lot better. So, about to eat breakfast. Wonder what my girls are doing. Miss them a lot. So, hi Emily and Abigail. Daddy loves you. And hi Wendy, I love you too. Waiting for our ride to come pick us up. I'm gonna go have some breakfast and then head on to the track. Got a little bit more set up this morning before the big race tonight. And hopefully it'll be a good day. Okay, so here's my breakfast setup this morning. Got some Danishes and muffin and water. Watching a video. Waiting for my ride to come pick us up. And then we're gonna be headed to the track like I said earlier. Waiting for Casey to come down, and I think I'm gonna call my family now, see what they're doing.
Good morning, everyone. It's Saturday. Abigail's updating the board. We're getting ready to head out. What's on our agenda for today, Abigail?
Today, we're going to Miller Street, Fort Mill for dance well. Aldo,
Probably not doing that.
or school pictures, outfit.
Maybe look for a top or something for school pictures.
And Mommy said she'd bring me to the American Girl store because I have a gift card there.
Yep. So we might do a few things today.
And there might be a special guest.
Maybe. And we got a little bit more to do in our room here probably.
Wait, let me say hi so we get out of the car.
All in all.
Can I show them around?
Sure.
So first, when you walk in, you see the couch. Very comfy. A table, TV, another table, the ottoman. And then back here is our pink kitchen, our white table that's not cluttered anymore. American Girl doll stuff. Kitchen, American Girl doll stuff, couch, my doll Bree. She kind of got upside down. There she is. Hi, Bree. And then here's the doll closet. Leah's bed, well my dolls. Emily's bed and another bed, and Grace. And then little people. So yeah, and then back here we have a race car thing. So that's what our whole living room looks like. So yeah. Oh, and then we got that big Julie's locker. Yeah, okay, bye.
All right, so we're back at the track. The home of the Snowball Derby. Crews are getting their cars out and getting ready, and we're getting ready too. We're getting some cable run. Mark and I, he's down there talking to that nice lady who's got a racetrack. I think it's in Florida, maybe Georgia. Anyway, I like that number 9 car because I used to race the number 9. Anyway, trying to figure stuff out here, so I think you might need me.
Okay, so we just went to Miller Street.
We both got one of the cards. I got a pair of shorts.
I'm looking at the back of you.
Oh.
We are in Baxter Village. I haven't been here in forever. It's kind of cool. Maybe we should live here.
Why?
I don't know. It's like a cute little place. All the stores. As we're walking through Baxter Village, girls found this. A little telephone booth, but I don't think they can get in. I think it's just for decoration. They came running down thinking that they were going to be able to get in, but is there a telephone in there?
How do people get in? There's a cigarette in there though.
It's just for decoration. It's like an old-time telephone booth.
But how did people get in?
Oh, you would open the door.
But
Probably right here, but now it's closed. This is quite cute here.
Where's the part where we entered?
All right, so yesterday we measured out the run. That's a 100-foot marker that we put all the way around the track over here where we're dropping a camera in turn 1. Basically, the run starts from that media booth right there. Now it's 500 feet, and this orange one up here is 600 feet. These grandstands are really nice. I wonder where they came from, because I'm pretty sure they've been moved from another track to here. I want to say Rockingham.
Alright, so we're still in Baxter Village and we found a store called Cup Craze. I'm going to try to get another cupcakes over that way. And here's what we got.
Mommy got a sticker, something, and me and Abigail are sharing red velvet. And then we have 2 cake pops in there.
Alright, now we're at the top of the grandstands over here in turn 1. Setting up camera right here for the race. Alright, I gotta go get stuff.
Okay, here are our cupcakes. I have some Snicker kind of a thing, caramel chocolate. This of course is red velvet. And these are the cake pop specials for the Panthers this weekend. Let's see your cake pop, Ab.
Alright, so now I'm up in the flag stand. I had to plug in a power strip up here. And as you can see, the boys are still working. Casey's spraying stuff. And where's Gary? There's Gary.
Okay, so we're meeting a special guest for lunch, which just came about in the last couple minutes. The girls are extremely excited. Let's see if we can see. There's Miss Susan. Miss Susan for lunch.
All right, the guys are downstairs checking out cameras, making sure all the cables are working. I think we have everything working right now. And they are brought back here. That's the graphics computer, the preview monitor, and this is the switching station where we hit all these buttons and move cameras around. These are all the different sources. And then these are the graphics. All right, so now we're down on the fence setting up the speed shot. You think that's tall enough?
Yeah.
Unless the car flies?
I'll tilt it.
Yeah. This is the front stretch.
There are some things you have to sacrifice the camera for.
Yeah.
Very rocky.
All right, so we had a nice lunch with Miss Susan. We're wrapping it up. We're swinging on some swings, and we're going to take a little picture now. So the girls are really excited to see her. Okay, so we made it back to the American Girl doll store. Abigail's looking at this outfit for Leah.
I want that outfit.
That's what Abigail has in her hand right now, I think. What else are you looking at, Abigail? Bathing suits? Are those Leah's bathing suits? Oh yeah, they are. And she's got her kayaking stuff over here. It's kind of a little house here in there too. What is this for? The welly wishers?
The tiny dolls.
It's cute.
I don't like the tiny dolls.
It's very cute. A house. So Abigail likes this little getup.
So cute, especially the shirt.
Sparkly, sparkly. It's her, and then there's one for the doll.
Oh, and so, come here, guys. Just walk over here. You can do it.
Okay.
So I have this outfit at home, and I didn't have it for my doll matching.
Which is super cute.
So now I can bring I can bring her somewhere and I can wear it.
Oh, it's over there, but she's got a vest on with it, so you can't really see.
No,
it. Yeah,
she's
it's
got
cute.
like a skirt on and that.
Yeah. So that's what we came here for. She specifically wanted that outfit. This is super cute to me. All these girls and their instruments. I absolutely love this.
I don't like it.
I do. Very cute. And they even have Halloween costumes. Look at that. I just found Abigail over here with the horse and the carriage. Emily, you're right in my way here.
What?
Cute. Abigail just discovered the baking stuff that they have by William Sonoma. Cute. Abigail's singing. What's this girl's name? What's her name?
Melody.
Melody?
Try to speak a little.
Nobody's recording Steve. Look at that. Are you singing,
Wait,
Abigail?
I can't hear myself anymore. Emily, what'd you do? You did something. Oh,
Okay, here's what's going on around the track right now. Got some campers lined up and some trucks out at the racetrack ready to go racing. Guys are on the track. The super late models are on the track practicing. There goes Casey LaJoy. There's the GoPro. Covers the front stretch and the front of the grandstands. And there's Jeff Fisher. He's a cameraman up top. It's called Camera One, and he's practicing and making sure everything's working good. And it looks good. So then down in turn 2, we got our second camera, which I was there a little bit earlier.
Ready?
Couldn't be
Say
in
action.
South Park and not come to Pottery Barn Kids. Look at this awesome thing. Oh my God. Oh, look at this one over here. Hey, I'll see you guys
These
later.
beds are so nice.
Pretty. Yeah, very pretty.
It's too much bedazzle for me though.
Too much bedazzle? Really?
Well, like the pillows are too much.
I like the bedazzle.
Well, I mean, I don't like this pillow.
What's that, Abigail?
I like the purple one.
You like the desk and the chair?
Wait, we gotta have dinner.
This is my desk.
Okay.
This is my desk. That's your desk.
Whatever.
I need to meet Emma for the.
That's cute, Emily.
I want this desk. I like this desk.
I need to have dinner.
Where's your
You having dinner? Where are you having dinner?
Tea. Just some tea. Not usually nothing. Using it.
Why does
Well, where
get
are
this?
we? Where did we venture into?
Legoland.
We're now in Legoland. Wow, good stuff. What? Oh wow, look at the Disney castle. Oh my goodness. How cool is that? They're building a minifigure now in the Lego store. What do you got out?
I'll show you what I have if I can find my head again.
Yeah, let me see.
But I
Oh,
found
look at
the
that one.
Santa.
The Santa one, yep. Let me see him. Quickly.
Hold on.
Here's the people that they made. There's Abigail's. And there's Emily's. Was that fun?
I want to keep them.
Alright, so these ladies here today, they're here for breast cancer awareness. I caught up with them earlier. Let's check that out.
Okay, just let me know.
You ladies look great.
Well, there's the lovely ladies.
Thank you.
Y'all here to raise some money?
Yes, sir.
And mock you while they're at it.
Huh?
And mock you while they're at it.
Mock me?
Yeah.
Mock me? I'm proud of my ball head.
So these 8 ladies and our
Come up here on the roof. It's a little cloudage here, which is beautiful. It's cooling us down a little bit. We got multi-cameras. And here's the Big Daddy. This is the one I used at East Carolina Speedway a couple weeks ago. Today we've been breaking our butts along this line, working cables and stuff like that. It's been crazy. All right. I don't know if I'm sunburned or not, but my face feels like it's on fire! On fire. All right, all the cars we're here for are over there. They're about to qualify. That's what's going to happen next. After qualifying, I will be down on pit road for the races with a handheld camera, and yeah, that's what I'll be doing. By the way, I've never done that before, so let's hope that goes good. I'm sure it will, because I am good at what I do, and I do my best always. So that's all I can ask for. Do my best. Got some wind picking up here, which is nice, but that also means there might be some weather. I don't know if you can see it or not, but there's a rainbow over there in turn 2. Alright, so racing has started. We had so many technical difficulties. We are not down there for the first race, but we're going to be down there for the next one. And victory lane for this race.
I think
This is our contestant.
tries to imagine going back to you with the leaders right there.
Car 29, you need to be ahead of the 6.
Alright, now I'm down in the pits.
So it's got to be.
This is where I'm going to be the rest of the night. I just interviewed the winners and stuff from the previous race. Right now it's a red flag because of accident on the backstretch. Not this guy. But here the cars stopped on track.
So there's 13
Here's my
cars
camera.
officially on scoring, Bill.
This is the antenna. It's a wireless camera, so I could roam all over the place. And video of all the races
So
going on
13
live on
cars, and that's
speed51.com. Alright, so the night of racing is just about over. I've got one more victory lane interview to do. Late model race went okay. Yeah, I'm not a happy camper right now with the guy I work with. He doesn't earn much respect from me, just the way he talks to people and me, most specifically. If you want me to respect you, you need to earn my respect, and you need to treat me with dignity, and the way he speaks to people, he doesn't. So, not sure how much longer I'll be here at this job, but I do kind of like it. I wish I could stay longer, but we'll see. Obviously, I'm very upset right now, but I just can't work with people who are jerks to other people. There's no need for it. Everybody's out doing a job, breaking their butt, working hard as they can, and for you just to be an idiot, that doesn't fly with Tom Ryan. Does not fly at all. I can't work for people or with people like that. All right, race is back going. All right, car spun out right down here, right in front of me. Just now, just after I shut off the record. Okay, this is where tonight ends. On the front stretch of Five Flags Speedway, and I wouldn't really call it tonight because it's just about 2 in the morning, something like that. I don't know. Exhausted, still packing stuff. This was the spin out earlier from all that smoke you saw. The guy went down and hit the inside wall down there in turn 1. Be the best human beings you can be, and we'll see you on Sunday. That's tomorrow. Sunday. That's today. See ya.